Many of you probably won't need to actually watch this video because this is just going back to basic. Can you add polynomials? Can you multiply? Can you subtract them and multiply? Okay, and then still find the degree, maximum number of turning points, and end behavior. But if you want to follow along with any of these, feel free. So remember, adding, we combine like terms, and we're going to put it in standard form. So highest exponent first, so we'll have x to the 5th, and then we'll have the x to the 4th term. Oops, if I can write correctly. And then our x squared terms cancel out. And then we've got 4x minus 2x, so plus 2x, and then minus 2. So degree would be 5. Maximum number of turning points would be 4 because it's one less. And then end behavior would be, since the leading coefficient is positive, that means the right arrow is up. But since the degree is odd, we're going to switch the arrow. Just a review of multiplication, you just distribute each term in. So x squared times 7x would be 7x cubed. X squared times 4 is 4x squared. Negative 5 times 7x is negative 35x. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. There are no like terms to combine, so we can go ahead and do our magic. So degree is 3. Maximum number of turning points is 1 less, so that's 2. And then end behavior, I'm going to do the right arrow first, so it's a positive leading coefficient, so that means the right arrow will go up. And then it's an odd degree, so the left side will go down. And then I'll just do a few more. Subtraction. Just be careful in subtraction. One thing I usually tell people is to distribute the negative in and make it addition. So it'll be a negative 5x cubed, a positive 5x squared, and a positive x. So I'm just switching all the signs. And then I combine like terms. So x cubed plus negative 5x cubed is negative 4x cubed. Negative 4x squared plus 5x squared is positive x squared. And then we have a positive x and a plus 1. And once again, degree is negative 4, not leading coefficient, maximum number of turning points. Wow, degree is not negative 4. That was leading coefficient. Degree is 3. Good job, Booth. Maximum number of turning points is 2. I was just so excited to talk about end behavior, where that negative 4 is important. That tells us we go down on the right side, and then since the degree is odd, we're going to go up on the right. And then this one, I'm just going to show the multiplication. I think we're pretty good on everything else. So just make sure you multiply into all 3 terms. So x squared times x cubed is x to the 5th. And then plus 3x cubed minus 4x squared. We got negative 2 times x cubed. So that's going to be, I'm actually going to write it down here. So we've got, in fact, I'm going to show you a little trick I sometimes do. I space this out. I'm going to go ahead and put negative 2x to the 4th, and I'm going to line up like terms. Negative 2x times 3x is negative 6x squared. So I'll line that up right there. Then negative 2x times negative 4 is positive 8x. And then we've got our last one. So 3 times x cubed is a plus 3x cubed. 3 times 3x is a plus 9x, and then 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Then I'll just add all those. So I'll have x to the 5th minus 2x to the 4th plus 6x cubed minus 10x squared plus 17x minus 12. And I'll let you do degree and so on. I've done so many that I think you guys are plenty over that.